Red sky in the morning, sailor's warning.
You know this saying, it's been passed down for generations.
But why? Welcome back to the Cruise Ship Safety and Security channel. Why does a red sky in the morning strike fear into the hearts of seasoned sailors? Imagine this. You're on the open ocean, the sun rises, painting the sky a fiery red. A seasoned sailor sees this and a chill runs down his spine. He knows what might be coming. This isn't just superstition, it's experience, centuries of experience passed down through generations of those who brave the seas. A red sky in the morning can often mean bad weather is on its way. But how did this knowledge come about, and is there any truth to it? Let's delve deeper. For centuries, sailors have looked to the sky for clues about the weather. They had to. Their lives depended on it. No fancy instruments, no weather forecasts beamed from satellites, just their eyes, their instincts, and the wisdom passed down through generations.
These observations, combined with a healthy dose of superstition, formed the basis of their weather predictions.
A red sky in the morning became a warning sign. It was associated with storms, high winds, and treacherous seas.
Think about it. Sailors witnessed countless sunrises over the vast oceans. They saw patterns emerge. They noticed that a red sky in the morning often preceded a turn in the weather. This wasn't magic, it was simple observation. But there's a scientific reason behind this phenomenon. Let's explore the science behind the red sky.
That stunning red sky isn't just a pretty sight, it's a message from the atmosphere. You see, the color of the sky is all about light and how it interacts with the air around us. When sunlight hits the Earth's atmosphere, it gets scattered. Blue light scatters more than other colors, which is why the sky usually looks blue.
But at sunrise and sunset, the sun's light travels through more of the atmosphere. This means more blue light is scattered away, and we see more of the red and orange hues.
Now here's the key. Weather patterns typically move from west to east. A red sky in the morning suggests that there's a buildup of moisture in the atmosphere to the west. This moisture can mean one thing: storms. So red sky in the morning could indicate that a storm system is heading your way.
But what about a red sky at night? Does it carry the same ominous warning?
Red sky at night, sailor's delight.
This saying often follows its morning counterpart. But is it as reliable? The answer, like the sea itself, is a bit more complex. Remember how we talked about weather moving from west to east?
Well, if a red sky at morning suggests storms approaching from the west, then a red sky at night might mean the opposite.
If the sky is red as the sun sets in the west, it could indicate that the atmosphere to the west is clear and dry. This means the storm system has likely passed, leaving behind calm and clear weather. However, it's important to remember that these are just general observations. Weather patterns can be unpredictable.
So while a red sky at night might offer some hope for good weather, it's always best to be prepared. After all, the sea is a fickle mistress.
Sailors didn't just rely on red skies for their weather predictions. Over the centuries, they developed a whole arsenal of weather lore, observing everything from the behavior of birds to the feel of the wind.
For example, a ring around the sun or moon, often called a halo, was seen as a sign of approaching rain. This is because it's caused by sunlight or moonlight refracting through ice crystals high in the atmosphere, a sign of an approaching warm front, which often brings rain.
The direction of the wind was also crucial. A wind blowing from the south often brought warmer temperatures, while a northerly wind signaled the arrival of cold fronts.
Even the behavior of seabirds could offer clues. Birds flying low over the water often meant a storm was brewing, as the low air pressure pushed them closer to the surface. Today we have sophisticated technology to predict the weather. Satellites, radar, computer models. They paint a detailed picture of what's happening in the atmosphere. So are these old sailor sayings still relevant? Well, they might not be as critical for survival as they once were, but they still hold value. They remind us of the power of observation, of the deep connection between humans and the natural world. Plus, they're just plain fun. Next time you see a red sky, remember the generations of sailors who looked to the heavens for guidance. Think about the science behind the colors, and while you're at it, spare a thought for the unpredictable nature of the sea. a force that continues to inspire awe and respect, even in our technology-driven world. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more deep dives into maritime security and life at sea. It costs you nothing, unless you would like to buy us a coffee. If you do, you can find the link in our channel description or by visiting buymecoffee.com/cruise ship. And those that are so kind will get a mention in one of our upcoming videos. Stay legal, stay salty, and in stormy weather, hold on to your hat.